Installing the Brondell SouthSpa dual temperature bidet attachments is simple. Follow these steps to install and use your bidet. This bidet comes with 2 adjustable nozzles, one for a front wash and one for a rear wash. Our other dual temperature SouthSpa model has a single nozzle. To change the nozzle position, simply move the nozzle housing at its pivot point. Do not try to adjust the nozzle position when the nozzle is extended. Do not remove the nozzle cap during use, as the cap can easily be lost and can damage the bidet. To mount the bidet attachment, remove your existing toilet seat and thoroughly clean your toilet. Place the bidet attachment and original toilet seat on the toilet so the nozzles are as far back against the toilet bowl as possible and secure with the toilet seat hardware. To connect your SouthSpa to water, turn off the toilet water supply at the shutoff valve at the wall. Flush your toilet and hold down the flush handle until the water is fully drained. Unscrew the flexible water supply line from your fill valve at the toilet. Do not unscrew at the shutoff valve at the wall. You may want a small bucket or towel handy to catch any residual water. Insert the black rubber washer into the provided T-valve and connect the T-valve to the fill valve under the toilet tank. Reconnect the flexible supply line to the bottom of the T-valve. Attach the braided metal bidet hose to the open side of the T-valve. Connect the open end of the bidet hose to the cold water inlet on the back of the bidet attachment. If you decide to only use cold water with your bidet and not connect to a hot water source, you must install the hot water supply cap over the hot water inlet on the back of your SouthSpa bidet. If you would like to supply your SouthSpa bidet with warm water, please follow these steps. Locate the hot water supply line in your bathroom under your sink. Turn the water supply valve all the way off, and turn on the hot faucet to drain any residual water. Disconnect the hot water supply hose that runs to the faucet. Install the smaller of the 2 provided T-valves with the rubber washer onto the hot water shutoff valve. Remove the pressure cap from the pressure connector. Slide the pressure cap over one end of the provided hot water flex tubing. Push the flex tubing onto the pressure connector, making sure it slides past the lip. Secure by turning the pressure cap onto the pressure connector until firmly attached. Reconnect the hot water supply line to the top of the T-valve. Slide the pressure cap over the open end of the hot water flex tubing. Push the provided pressure connector into the open end of the hot water flex tubing until the tubing slides past the lip and cannot go further. Hold the pressure connector to the hot water inlet on the bidet attachment and screw the cap onto the hot water inlet until secure. Turn on the hot and cold water supply valves and check for leaks. To use the dual nozzle SouthSpa model, simply turn the dial towards either the front or rear position. To use the single nozzle SouthSpa model, turn the dial towards wash. The further the dial is turned, the higher the water pressure will be. To adjust the temperature for bidets using both hot and cold water, rotate the dial slowly from the cold side to the hot side until you find the best temperature. Congratulations! Your SouthSpa installation is complete. Please refer to the owner's manual for instructions on how to properly operate and maintain your bidet.